once again we see each other once again, because last Palm Sunday, seldom, limited edition only, come to the church because of the climate. So it's nice to join with, most especially in this Holy Week, and it started last Sunday. So basically now we entered into the second day of the Triduum, which is the venerations of the cross this evening, 6:30. So because of that, these stations of the cross or way of the cross that we do is a sign for us to reflect also and to meditate how Jesus journeyed, how Jesus entered into Jerusalem, how Jesus accepted everything. My dear sisters and brothers, try to think of paano si Jesus, paano niya ginata ang lahat ng hirap, paano niya tatanggapin ang lahat ng pasakit, paano niya dadalhin ang lahat ng ito bilang tao. Along the way, pinarusahan na nga siya, and yet hindi pa tumigil yung mga tao, inambalos pa siya. Hindi lang inambalos kung ano-ano pa ang sinabi sa kanya until the last breath of Jesus. What had happened until the last breath? If you are the Son of God, go down, save yourself. Dinutya pa siya. Ang paglalakbay ni Jesus ay hindi ganun kadali. Ang kanyang pagpasok sa Jerusalem to fulfill His mission is not so easy. Ang paglalakbay sa mundo is not so easy. Reflect paano ni Jesus dinala ang lahat ng ito. Sa ating paglalakbay, hindi pleasant, hindi masarap ang lahat. Along the way, akala natin masaya na, pero along the way, may mga tao na kukutya sa atin, may mga tao na hahambalos sa atin.